Welcome to another video. So, in today's video, we are going on a little adventure. And what are we doing today? We're going camping! So, I am super excited because actually we were supposed to leave next week, but my dad just came home with a surprise that we're actually leaving tomorrow. So I am super excited. Now I have to go pack some stuff, gotta see what I'm gonna take because it's going to be really nice, breathing that fresh air. This is, I think, my second time camping, but it's going to be a little different from the first time. You'll see what I'm talking about once this video gets started. There's a lot of nice things to do there from what I saw on the website. So let's just go get ready and comencemos este video. So we got lost. There's no Wi-Fi and we just had to ask for directions at a restaurant. So he said that we have to cross the bridge, which we are doing now, and after we just have to follow the signs and then hopefully we will get there. But I think my brother has got Wi-Fi. Hopefully he does, because we are just driving, trying to, find this castle, because we made a little detour because the castle looked pretty cool. Y allá se encuentra el castillo. The bees. Este castillo está hecho todo de pura roca. Les voy a enseñar unos clips y es algo tan maravilloso y la gente todavía lo viene a visitar porque las vistas de este castillo son súper lindas y los sonidos de los pajaritos están relajantes, así que sigamos. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my goodness. There's some people jet skiing, I believe. Oh no, they're in a boat. Look at this, amazing. Miren qué belleza de vista hay aquí. Hay gente en su bote, en un día caliente, soleado. ¿Qué más se quiere? So that is it for this castle, the Gillette Castle. What do you think of it?
Oh,
You can say that.
I love it.
Yeah, it was such an amazing castle. The view was just super amazing. The castle itself was really nice. The birds chirping, breathing that natural fresh air. So now we should go to our camping resort. Esta va a ser nuestra casa por los siguientes 2 días. So this is going to be our cabin for the next 2 days. We are Cabin Wolf.
What is that?
Oh, there's one bed right there. Oh, there's another. We made it to the camping resort and it is actually super nice out here. So right now we are just going on a little walk to get familiar with this place and see what it has to offer us, because from what we saw on the website there is volleyball net, there is mini golf, there's a lake. So let's go and find out. Ahorita vamos a ir a dar una caminada a ese lugar para hacernos familiar con este lugar, así que vamos. So you heard it there. Without this wristband, you are not able to go into any other how can I say, activity spots, meaning a volleyball court or tennis court or mini golfing and stuff like that. So when you come visit here, make sure to always have your wristband with you. So it's really nice, really sunny. Originally, we were supposed to stay in this cabin, which, you know, like I said in the beginning of this video, we were supposed to be coming next week, and this was going to be our cabin. It was Cabin Turtle. So, esta es la cabina en que nosotros nos íbamos a estar quedando. Como dije al principio de este video, nosotros íbamos a venir la otra semana, pero mi papá cambió para este fin de semana y esta iba a ser nuestra cabaña para la semana que venía. Pero ahora, como cambiamos, entonces la cabaña de ahí arriba del lobo es nuestra cabaña. También dije que habían tents, que la gente podría crear sus propias casitas de campaña. También se encuentran estas tents, estas pequeñas casas de acampar que ellos rentan aquí. Y como pueden ver, tienen el cielo, el techo, el techo lo tienen transparente. Así que me imagino que en la noche se ve tan lindo porque pueden ver para el cielo y se pueden ver las estrellas. So as you can see, they are having a lot of fun. Como pueden ver, se están divirtiendo bastante. Hasta se me cayó el gorro. Lost the little golf ball. There it is. Your turn. Go. So we are playing some mini golf. This is our first hole. As you can see, he's not doing very well. Mine is over there. The pink one, his is yellow. Let's see. Oh, my turn. Our last hole. He already hit it. My turn.
And the winner is Anderson.
So we are at our cabin after going on that little walk, on that long walk of you know, seeing the view, and then we went mini golfing. It was all very nice, but you know, it's been a long day and we are all tired. We are sleeping in the on a bunk bed. Todos estamos sentados by the campfire.
Y no trajimos marshmallows.
Estamos sentados aquí a la par de nuestra fogata. Oh, está oscuro. It's kind of drizzling right now, but not that much. So, you know, they wanted to come see the lake at night. You can't really see how it looks through the camera, but you can kind of see it through the reflection of the light that's pointing over here.